auto glass repair or replacement, call ABC Auto Glass Repair of Las Vegas. We also repair and replace automobile window and window regulators. Window not moving up or down. Visit us online at http://autoglassrepairandautoGlassLasVegas.com. We will come to your home, office, gym, and her construction site. Call for a quote at 702-574-3662. We'll take care of your chipped, broken windshield and our window regulator. Thank you again for using ABC Auto Glass Repair as your choice to service your automobile's glass. Just call and speak with Derek, John, Eric, and our Michael. We'll handle your auto glass problem and have you back on the road.